All right, this is the Pinbox 3000 pinball machine by Cardboard Tech, and I've made a demo here based on the novel The Scarlet Letter. And I'm going to go over a few key ideas from it. So one is the letter itself, and here we're seeing that although it's originally intended to symbolize adultery or an adulterer, like Hester, the letter kind of defies being having a single meaning. It's a multivalent symbol. So to get your pinball to the freedom of the forest back here, you need to hit this ramp and jump over society. There's a map of Boston there. And if you do that and you hit this target, it's a switch with copper tape hooked up to a microbit, so coated with make code. So every time you hit it, it completes a circuit and increases your score, and if you get to 10, you get a heart animation. And then we have sort of a freer Hester over here and a more societally constrained one over here. And then another feature is Hester's daughter, Pearl, which she paid a great price for, is sort of out of bounds of society here. And if you're using a metal pinball and it lands in that ball trap, you get this neat animation and multicolored effect from this LED. And the circuit is completed under the play surface, and the band holders here are custom 3D printed rubber band guides. And if you get the ball in the ball trap, then you can add another ball to your game and then try to free that one and have two-ball play going on. So there's a quick look at this project. We've got art, we've got coding, we've got mechanical engineering, we have theme, idea, and it's all kind of coming together in a pretty neat way in this sort of project.